Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth pair and unpair setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphones with our phone. Guys you have your Bluetooth earphones and guys you want to pair with your phone. So how can you pair in this video guys? I will show you guys. So first of all guys you will have to click on your phone setting and guys first of all guys on your earphones. So I have one already guys on your earphones and guys scroll it. Friends you can see your more connection setting guys, tap here. Friends you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, click here. Friends you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth and guys you want to disable your Bluetooth setting, you can disable from here guys. You can enable and you want to disable, you can enable and disable from here. So we will refresh. So after refresh guys you can see your available device setting here. So friends which earphone guys company you have. So I have got this Ubon CL20. I will tap here to pair. Then guys you can say pairing. Guys wait here, the notification will come. Pair with Ubon CL. Guys you want to pair, yes we want to pair. So guys your earphone will paired. And guys you want to check your earphone battery percent. So as you can check 70% I have. So as now you can use your earphone while operating any app, listening song, watching cartoons, serials like that. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.